With his third overall coming back the first race after his thumb injury, it looked like he was doing pretty good. Back healthy, good competitive speed. And I'm going to read this directly from Racer X. So if they're wrong, it's on them. And also credit to them for doing this. It says, quote, Tomac, who returned from a thumb injury that kept him out for most of the AMA Pro Motocross Championship this summer, had asked for a chance to prove himself at these last two rounds before the team was chosen. This is about the MX Nations or MX of Nations, whatever you want to call it. Eli finished a solid third overall today, but informed the AMA after that he felt that Red Bull KTM's Aaron Plessinger, who was second overall, to his teammate Chase Sexton, had earned the position to Team USA over the summer. And as for the team's 250, blah, 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 newly crowned Hayden Deegan, but he's yet to commit. That's whatever. So if you read into this, they waited, most other teams probably have announced. Most of the bigger teams have already announced their teams, their riders for the MX Nations, and apparently, if this is correct, the AMA or whoever is in control of this said, "Yeah, don't worry about it, Tomac. We will wait fully for you, just to see if you are fit and ready." And let's be honest, if he had another month, I think he would be more than ready to do this. I mean, if you've missed all of the outdoors and still come back and finish third, I think he was like 4-3 on the day or something like that. So comment down below, correct me if I'm wrong on those positions, but I think that was what it is. And that's still a pretty good showing for a guy who's missed almost all outdoors to be instantly competitive. Not come back and be, you know, sixth, seventh, eighth overall, kind of running, have a good race, have a bad race, whatever, to come back and be third overall podium for your first race back in what, 2-3 months, long time. It's pretty good. But it's kind of weird that the AMA is fully reliant on him. Hey, let me just you wait until pick your team because I want a chance for the last two rounds. It basically shows like, hey, Plessinger, yeah, you were second pick. You were definitely no, sorry, third pick. We want Sexton, we wanted Tomac, and I guess you'll be a fine. And personally, I think Plessinger will be at least on the fan side of things perfect. He's full boy American cowboy. He's gonna be the face of it. But I don't know. Comments down below. You tell me. Are you happy with this? Are you happy with Plessinger? Do you think Deegan will do it, or if not, who? Maybe Hymus, or I don't think Justin Cooper is. He said he wouldn't do 250. So comment down below. Who do you think is going to be the 250 rider? Well, whatever it is, comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things the platform allows you to do because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.